Look everybody, some of the 6 birds have already gone to the fun spot. Where is the fun spot? The fun spot is where we made Pingu's birthday. Are we going there? Yeah, we are going to go there for fun. Okay, the 7 of you go. Let's go. What happened, Pingu? Why are you not going? I'm just a little too scared without my mother. Don't worry, I will call your mother. Mother Penguin! Oh, she is already gone. Wah, wah. Oh, don't worry. Just take a deep breath and just go. Okay. Oh, it's not too bad. Told you. Let's go. And your friend Princess is coming with you. But I want all my friends to come with me. Don't worry, I will call all your friends. Orange and Blue Jay. Yes, Lija, what do you want? Go with Pingu. Oh wow, let's go with our friends. Daddy, let's go. I'm coming. Yes, well. Looks like all of the kids are going in this round. Let's go. I'm coming, water. And the parents, you also go with the kids. Oh, what about newborn little green jay? Go, cat. Just bring her with you. Okay. Let's go. And pink parrot, you also go. Oh yeah. Okay. This round, go. Wait! What happened, green parrot? Why are you in such a rush? I forgot my egg. There. Now is everybody ready to go? Yes, leader. So, go. 2 hours later. They are gone. After 2 hours. Okay, now the next 7. Go. I'm going. Yes, well. Ooh. Owl style. Whee. Yeah, you can pretty much speak like an owl, right? Yeah, I'm an expert owl. Okay, now let me go. Well, red parrot is gone like a rocket. Well, I guess that's great. Let's go! Let go. How much birds are down there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2 more. Let's go, ostrich! I'm coming. Okay, now that's all the birds. Are you ready to go, you 7? Yes! Okay, now go! Only 4 of us are left. Well, in this time, I will go. Come on, everybody. I'm coming. I'm from the parrot family. Let's go. Yeah, but red parrot and yellow parrot are not in the parrot family. Only pink parrot, green parrot, orange and blue jay and green jay and that egg. That's a family. Do you know that? So, it's called a parrot family. But yellow parrot and red parrot are not in the family. But they are in green parrots and pink parrots family. Well, let's go. I'm coming. All 4 of us are here. Let's go. Huh? Where are all the others gone? Oh, let's call them. Everybody, come on, enjoy with me. Huh? Oh no! I know where they have gone. They have gone to the birthday spot of Pingu. Oh no! Let's reach there fast. And there it is. Phew! I'm just here in time. Huh? All the kids, they are also there. And the babies as well. We are all here. Everybody is here, even the babies and the kids. Yeah. Okay, now let's do grown-up talk. Hey, wait. But the leader said, let's do baby stuff only for one day because it's his holiday for inventing. Okay. What should we do? I'm so confused. Cha. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Are you trying to have a piggyback ride? Yeah. Well, let's go. Wee-hoo! It's like they are riding a horse. Like when there is a war. Wee-hoo! Yay! I will piggyback ride on toucan. Do you want a piggyback ride? Yes. Yeah, Well, climb aboard my long beak. Let go. Almost. That's better. Now my beak is pretty strong, so you will not fall. Don't worry. Let's go. Yee-haw! Coming along. Oh, Owie! Yee-haw! This is quite a bumpy trip. Yee-haw! Come on, toucan, let's go. Get up. Okay, you don't need to kick me. I will go on the new flock member, Mr. Macau. Wait, no. On Baldy. I will go on Baldy. Let go. Yee-haw! I want to go. Piggyback ride. Oh, do you want a piggyback ride? Climb aboard! Ow. Okay, let's go. Yee-haw! Baby ride. Kids, baby ride. Coming too. I will go on Woosta. Let's go. Little one, do you want a piggyback ride? Let's go. Hop on the board. Let go. Yee-haw! Owie. That was not beautiful. Yee-haw! Oops, sorry guys, that was just a mistake. Let's continue with the words. Full piggyback ride. Baby friend. Goo gaga. Let's find the perfect bird for her. Little one, let's go with me, baby friend. Maybe you will ride on the duck. Let's go to the duck. Here. Goo goo gaga. Jesse. Do you want a piggyback ride? Chit. Hop aboard. Let's go, Jesse. No, I'm the only one left. Chloe. Oh, do you want a piggyback ride, little one? You are so cute. Look at that adorable face. Yeah. Okay, hop aboard. Let go. Yeah. Go. Let go. Well, all the kids and babies are having the piggyback rides on the grown-up birds. let's just, I don't know what to do either. I'm too busy piggyback riding. Hee-haw! Oh, he's with Pingu, I forgot. Well, let's just drink some coffee and tea and let's just chat around in a grown-up talk. Grown-up talk. Does that sound like a good idea? Yeah, let's do a grown-up talk. And let's drink tea. I'm coming. Let's drink coffee. I'll drink coffee. I'll drink tea while all... Oh no, my egg! 1 hour later. See, you found the egg again. Let's put the egg with the kids and babies as well. Okay. I'll keep it with just here. I'm just going to keep it with Mother Penguin. Mother Penguin, would you mind taking care of my egg? Meanwhile, we do a grown-up talk. Sure, Green Parrot. I'll just sit on it like you do. Yeah, because you're my closest best friend, right? Yeah. We are a team. Yeah. But our group is called a flock. Birds' group is called a flock. Yeah. Anyways, let's talk. Take good care of my egg. Sure will. Okay, let's talk. Pink Parrot, my partner, come on. Yay, 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 yay. Oh, that's so cute. Anyways, come on, Pink Parrot. I'm here and I want to drink coffee with Green Parrot. I'll drink tea. I'll drink coffee. I'll drink tea. I'll drink coffee. Come on, Ducky. We are waiting for you. Oh yeah, I am coming, all right. Just a little bumpy trip. Nothing all. Let's see if the egg is still there. Yep, it's still there. I'm coming. Oh, there's too much birds. I can't cross you. Otherwise I'll hurt you. Is there anybody there? No. I have to be super careful and it might be a little clumsy video, but it's not a clumsy video. It is the perfect thing. The video is coming along as we planned. But we are confused. Yeah. Yee-haw! Cuckoo caca. Yee-haw! Oh, that's so cute. Yep, they will keep piggyback riding for 1 hour. 1 hour? 1 hour? 1 hour? 1 hour? 1 hour? Yeah. Oh, okay. Anyways, I don't care. Because we love babies and kids. Come on. Yee-haw! Cuckoo caca. Yee-haw! Let's go. One more bird can only fit. To be continued.